thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder to all Merkabah Academy lifetime members and paying members, the video I posted the other day on, whole COVID-19 thing, it's on Merkabah Academy. Go to the link. I'm gonna post it in the description, and it'll take you right there if you are a paid member. I had the video on the timeline and on my page, Merkabah Academy. Guys basically kind of crashed the server. So many people was coming to the site at one time. There was a server issue, but the server for paid members is on a different server, and that video worked fine as an embed. So that video is working fine in Merkabah Academy members section. There's an issue with Vimeo in the video, and I've been waiting to get feedback from them or get something from them to basically figure out what the technical issue was on their site as well, but they have not hit me back yet, probably due to what's happening. I have not got a response. So the best thing I can do is post a video up for sale on my site. When you get the video, there's a new video I also posted on Merkabah Academy in the member section. It's a new video on the 5G coming economy and the new 5G world that they're working on right now. I explain the COVID-19 virus and the coronavirus, what that's really about, and from what I've been seeing, everybody has it wrong. But you know how I do it if you watch my videos. I broke it down, I made it make sense, and I gave you guys a lot of information that you need to know. So there's a new video on 5G, as well as I get into 5G in the first video, but this is a new video. So when you get the new video, it also comes with the video from yesterday, and it's for the same price as I always post it. It'll be like $19.99 when it's all said and done after taxes. So you get both videos. So best thing I can do, as I said, the link is below. If you want to see both videos, the one I put up on COVID-19, a new video that I just released today, link is in the description for you guys to go and purchase it. And as I said, you'll get both videos. So, I definitely understand a lot of people's going to be upset about the whole thing. I don't want to hear anybody talking about money and this and that. I had Merkabah Academy up for a long time, and people had a long time to go and become a member, excluding new subscribers, but a lot of people didn't. A lot of people complained about prices and so on and so forth. It's the reason why I made Merkabah Academy, because I understood what was getting ready to take place. And you'll see as I talk about in the video what's about to happen. So definitely go there, and it's smart to be a member, but if you can't, then I made the videos real affordable. It's days of work I put into these two video days. It takes days to edit. So I think, $20 is a reasonable cost for the videos. For you guys to go and support and see this information that I promise you're not seeing. Also, of course, YouTube is taking down videos. I already got the message from YouTube about any videos involving, coronavirus or COVID-19, and I'm sure just this little video will be flagged with them for just saying it, will be taken down, and it will possibly terminate your channel depending on what you put up there. So I don't know what other content creators got that message, but I got mine. As soon as you log into YouTube, it's telling you, COVID-19 stuff. So I'm not even gonna take the time to post the video on YouTube because I see what's happening, and the video is definitely worth the watch. And I want to thank everybody who took the time to support, and everybody who's been on Merkabah Academy since I opened it. And there's a lot of people on there that's been on there, been supporting, been dialoguing, been using the site daily. The phone works fine. The phone site is good, it's up and running. So if you have just the phone, it works. Also, the app is almost done. It should be out soon. It's in testing phase at this point, but it will be out. But definitely become a member. The link to all that is in the description. The link to the video is in the description. Definitely want to see the videos, and you definitely want to stay tuned to Merkabah Academy. I will still have a lot of free videos coming to Merkabah Academy. So if anything, just become a free member if you don't want to pay for the subscription. But in order to see these two videos, you're going to have to be a paid member, or definitely buy them for $19.99 from my website. Also, really quick, I see a lot of people requesting verification on Merkabah Academy. To be verified, to get the blue check, you have to be a lifetime member. So to get verification is for lifetime members only, or for people that's paying the monthly subscription, you get the verified check. So if you're just signing up for a free account and you request verification, it will get denied. unless you are a member, lifetime member of Merkabah Academy. And as I said, the link is in the description to do that. But there will also be a lot of free stuff coming on the site, and all that stuff is coming in the future as well. But I do appreciate you guys taking the time to sign up for it, in the first place. But a lot more coming on this. And again, thank you guys for taking the time to watch and support, and see you next video.